Good morning student. We will continue today our chapter 10 basic geometrical ideas. One question related to the terms which we already discussed in previous lecture. One figure is given to you. In this figure you have to tell about the parallel lines, intersecting lines and some question related to intersection point. Okay, in this see all pairs of parallel line. One thing more I want to tell you, in line there are two ways to represent this. One way that we are taking 2 points AB, we can say this is a line AB. But whenever we want to represent by a small letter, then there is a need of a single letter. It means if we are using a single letter, then we will use a small letter to represent line. It means I can write down directly this is a line L, or another name I can say this is a line AB. If we are taking 2 points to represent the line, we will take in the capital letter. But if we want to represent in a small letter, then only one letter is enough to represent the line. Now see, so this is the meaning, that's why here 3 lines given to you L, M, N. These 3 lines are parallel lines. All pairs of parallel lines we can say L parallel to M. This is a parallel sign. M parallel to N, L parallel to N. It means these are the pair of parallel lines. This one line is parallel to this one is parallel to this, and this one also parallel to this. So 3 pair of parallel line we can say exist here. Now all pairs of intersecting line. What is the intersecting line? Which 2 lines intersect each other at a single point. If they cut each other at a single point, these lines are called a intersecting line. So if we talk about the line intersecting line, see this L line intersected by the line this, if I take PQ, P, this L line intersected by a P, we can say L and P, intersecting line pair. M also intersected by P, so MP or also NP. It means this line P intersecting all 3 lines, L lines at point A, M lines at point B, N lines at point C. So these are 3 pairs that these intersection point A, this one intersecting point B, and this one intersecting point C. Now see this side, one more line Q. Q is cutting L line at point D, M line at point E, N line at point F. Now see one more line, this one line, we can say if this line T, this T line intersecting P, this one P line, this one T line intersecting this point G. It means we can say P and T intersecting at point G. Now see this one line again T, but now this one line is L. T line intersecting L line at point H. This T line intersecting M line at point I. This T intersecting N line at point K. And this one J, this is T line and this one is Q line intersecting at point J. So these type we will define all the pairs of parallel line, all pairs of intersecting line, or if asking the pair of lines which one intersecting at point A, at point D, at point E, we define like this. Okay. Now next exercise we will discuss about angle. Before angle we recall our topic ray. What is a ray? Ray has, it is a part of line which has one end point. Now what is angle? If two rays, we are taking two rays which has same initial point. दो ऐसी रेज को इस तरह से ज्वाइन किया गया है, दोनों रेज का इनिशियल पॉइंट क्या है? A है. Then they form the angle. Two rays connected by a same initial point, or we can say has same end point, then it is called a it forms an angle. These rays are called the arm of the angle. There are two rays AB, AC. Both have initial point A, and the same initial point is called vertex of an angle. These rays are called the arms of an angle, and this one is called the vertex of angle. This one we can say initial side or arm, and this one terminal side. Now measure of an angle means ये angle कितने डिग्री का फॉर्म हुआ है. Measure of an angle depends on the rotation from initial side to terminal side. Means initial side से terminal side में कितना rotation हुआ है. According to this we will define the measure of an angle. Angle होता क्या है? Angle is defined, angle made by two rays within same end point. दो rays जो same end point से मिलकर बनी है, two rays which has same end point, or we can say initial point is same for both the rays, then they form an angle. And these rays called the arms of an angle, and this initial point, or we can say same end point, is called the vertex of an angle. And the measure of an angle is depend on how much rotation do from initial side to terminal side. This is called the measure of an angle. Now see how to give the name of an angle. किसी भी एंगल को नेम कैसे दिया जाता है? It depends that vertex of an angle is always put in the middle. This one, if you write down only single letter, this is, we can say, angle A. We can represent it using three letters, BAC or CAB. सिंगल लेटर से भी रिप्रेजेंट किया जा सकता है इसको, थ्री लेटर से भी रिप्रेजेंट किया जा सकता है, और वी कैन गिव एनी नंबर ऑल्सो दैट दिस इज एंगल 1. So this is the way of representation, or represent, or by giving the name of an angle. How to give the name of an angle? किस तरह से किसी एंगल का नेम डिसाइड किया जाता है? It depends that maybe you are using a single letter, or maybe you are using a three letter. Whenever we will use three letters to define an angle, to represent an angle, then the vertex of an angle should be in middle. Which angle you want to represent? You want to represent angle A, it means this angle A should be in the middle. Doesn't matter that you will start from here BAC or you are starting from here CAB, but that one vertex should be in the middle. In this angle, what is the exterior and interior of an angle? Exterior, interior of an angle क्या होता है? Same thing. This angle divide the region into three parts. First interior, second exterior, or we can say third region itself, or we can say boundary of an angle. इस एंगल की बाउंड्री के इनसाइड अगर कोई पॉइंट है, दिस इज कॉल्ड द इंटीरियर पॉइंट ऑफ एन एंगल. इसके आउटसाइड कोई पॉइंट है देन वी कैन से दिस इज द एक्सटीरियर पॉइंट ऑफ एन एंगल, और अगर उसकी बाउंड्री पे कोई पॉइंट लाई कर रहा है इट मीन्स वी कैन से इट इज ऑन द रीजन itself. Same like as we discussed in the closed figure. Interior means inside, exterior means outside, and on boundary or region itself means उसी boundary पे अगर कोई point exist करता है. Okay, if anyone asks show the angle or define the angle which you are using in your daily life, किस तरह से ऐसा कोई एक एग्जाम्पल दो जिसमें डेली लाइफ में हम एंगल्स फॉर्म होते हुए देखते हैं. द बेस्ट एग्जाम्पल वी कैन से अबाउट अवर वॉल क्लॉक. एवरी टाइम एंगल विल चेंज. इसमें क्या होता है, जब घड़ी की सुइयां चेंज होती है एवरी टाइम, मिनट सुई, सेकेंड सुई, every time they are making an angle something like this. If you are seeing, if you are watching towards the sun, this is also make some angle with your horizon. Horizontally you can see like this, and if you are seeing towards the sun then it also forms an angle. If you are seeing any object from your roof to downside, this is also made the angle something. It means in everyday life we are using these terms like angle. How to use it we will study further classes. This time angle is what? Basically angle made by the two rays with an initial point. These rays are called the arms of an angle, and the same initial point is called the vertex of an angle. The any point lies inside the angle, then it is called interior point. Outside the region of the angle, then it is called exterior, or if its boundary itself, then we can say it lies on region itself. Okay, one question about the angle. In a figure, give the angle's name to this figure. Okay, if I say angle 1, angle 1 name is what? If I write down this is angle B also, then this is completely wrong, because angle B is now this one, this vertex, this complete if we are taking, then we can say this is angle B. Now this angle we represent only in two ways. Maybe we can say angle 1, or maybe we can say angle DBE or EBD. These names we can give to it. Angle 2 if I write, then name of angle 2 DBC or CBD. This one angle 3 name ABC or CBA. This is angle 3 name we can say. If we want to represent angle B, then what is the name of angle B? We can say ABE or EBA, or it is equal to what? Angle 1 plus 2 plus 3. Then we can say it is equal to angle B. So these type we will give the name to an angle. Now your exercise 10 be complete. Do complete in your fair notebook. Thank you.